Quick, hide everything! The cake! The cake! Mom can't see it yet. We don't need anything special this year. As long as we're together.
Mom looks sad.
I'm sorry, kids. We may skip the birthday cake this year.
Oh, no cake? No birthday cake?
This is serious.
This is serious.
Be good while I'm gone, okay?
Okay, Mom.
We will.
We can make Mom a birthday cake. By ourselves? Yes, it will be a surprise. 1, 2, 3. That's not enough. What do we do now?
We can earn money!
Really?
Yes! We'll work tomorrow. Step 1. Find a job. Step 2.
Buy cake ingredients.
Step 3. Surprise Mom!
Mom will be so happy. She'll never expect it. Good night, Oliver. Good night, Lily. It's mission day!
Today we earn money.
For Mom's birthday cake.
Ready? Ready?
Ready! Ready!
Let's find a job.
This feels like an adventure.
It is an adventure.
An adventure for Mom.
Do you need any help today? Sorry, not today.
Maybe the next place. Look, Oliver! A festival. Maybe they need helpers.
Let's go find out.
This place is amazing!
We need to find work.
And earn money for Mom.
Oh dear!
We can help. We are good helpers.
Really? Wonderful! Thank you, helpers! We are happy to help.
We are earning money for our Mom.
You earned this.
Our first money! We are getting closer.
Help! Help!
Another job!
Let's go! Let's go! I found the problem!
And I saved the buckets.
You two are amazing. Thank you, helpers.
We earned even more.
We're getting closer.
Are you okay?
I can't find my Mom.
Don't worry, we'll help you.
What does your mom look like?
She has a yellow hat. We'll find her. Mom!
There you are. Thank you so much.
We were happy to help.
Please take this.
Thank you.
We hope you have a wonderful day. We're almost there.
We can really do it.
We just need a little more.
Who wants to enter the cupcake contest?
A contest! And there's a prize!
Good luck, contestants.
Thank you! Thank you! We're going to do our best! Look at all the decorations!
We need a great idea.
This is for Mom.
The best mom in the world.
Oh no! The cupcake! You saved it!
We did it together.
This cupcake is beautiful.
It was made with love. That makes it very special.
And the winner is Lily and Oliver.
We won! We did it!
Congratulations!
We have enough!
We have enough.
Now we can buy everything.
We need flour.
And eggs.
And strawberries.
These strawberries are perfect.
Mom will love this cake.
The best birthday cake ever. We did it.
We really did.
Mom is gonna be so happy.
We have to work fast.
Mom will be home soon.
Let's make the best cake ever. Oops, not again.
You look funny.
Gently.
I think I got it.
Almost.
It looks like cake.
Now we're getting somewhere.
It smells amazing. I hope it works.
It will. Now we wait.
It smells so good.
We did it.
The cake is perfect.
Mom is home. What do we do? Hide the cake. Quick, hide everything. The cake! The cake! Mom can't see it yet.
What are you two doing?
Nothing.
Definitely nothing. Mom, let's play a game.
That sounds nice.
Yes, a very long game. Almost finished.
It's beautiful.
Mom will love it. Everything is ready.
Now we wait.
Surprise!
What is all this?
Happy birthday, Mom! You made all of this?
Yes, Mom.
We wanted to surprise you.
We love you, Mom.
Happy birthday!
This is the best birthday ever.
We worked all day.
We earned every dollar.
I'm so proud of both of you. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
This first piece is for you.
For us?
You earned it.
This cake is delicious.
We made it ourselves. And it's perfect.